Here are the top headlines on ITWeb this week. The gloves are off in South Africa's telecoms industry, with mobile network operators at each other's throats over spectrum pooling arrangements. On August 13th, the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria will hear a case in which Vodacom takes on rival MTN and its pooling partners, Cell C and Liquid Intelligent Technologies, in a bid to interdict them from using spectrum they obtained from alleged secret and illegal spectrum pooling arrangements. The Democratic Alliance's Solly Malatsi is South Africa's new Minister of Communications and Digital Technologies. Malatsi's appointment forms part of the new members of the National Executive for the 7th Administration, which is inclusive of all the parties in the Government of National Unity. As South African companies increasingly integrate AI into their operational processes, recruiters are seeing a steady rise in demand for chief AI officers to spearhead these AI initiatives. This is according to recruiter firms, who say businesses are reaping significant benefits of the emerging technology. Johannesburg-based non-profit The Modern Community Foundation has collaborated with the Cisco Networking Academy to upskill youth in ICT. The foundation is introducing a month-long technopreneurship development program aimed at empowering the youth and the LGBTQIA community across SA. And finally, Google Translate has expanded its support to include 110 new languages, including South Africa's Trivenda and Isiswati. The internet search giant says this AI-powered expansion is Google's biggest yet, and is geared towards helping people better communicate and connect. For more news, visit itweb.co.za, itweb.co.za. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.